Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's LEGORobotics. Today's video is going to be about the Hungry Hippo Bot competition. You cannot miss this. It's an epic competition. Those of you guys that have robotic classes, this would be super cool for you guys to participate in. The rules of video and how it works is coming up next. Stay with me. Okay, so here we have just a regular FLL board that has now been converted into a Hungry Hippo Bot board. So let me go over the rules and then I will show you some video of my classes participating in this competition. I've done another video about this last year, but I switched the rules up just a tiny bit just to make it more fun. In the past, we've done 2 robots going at a time. To make it more fun, this year we're going to have 4 robots going at a time. So my students were given the task of building a Hungry Hippo Bot robot. There weren't any guidelines to it. If you're going to do this in your class, you might set up some guidelines as far as size. We did agree on a size rule that says your robot must fit inside the circle. You can do that your robot must fit on a piece of paper, an 8.5 by 11. It's up to you, but if you don't set some type of size rule, things could get out of hand very quick. So that's what we did. We made a size rule. Okay, so we have 2 robots per team. In order for this to go well, your students must be able to have, not everybody needs to have a phone, but at least 1 person per team. So I'm going to have 2 students per robot, and hopefully one of those students has a phone. Some of them do use my phone, so that's fine. You're going to need to have the Commander app on the phone. And so basically here are the rules. There are 13 wiffle balls here in the middle. When I say ready, set, go, everybody kind of goes to the middle, kind of like dodgeball. If you ever play dodgeball, everybody just runs towards the middle. And what you're basically trying to do is get 7, because there's 13 wiffle balls. So if you get 7 wiffle balls into your side of the board here, then your team wins. So these 2 robots would have to basically try to get the wiffle balls going into their side. So that's one of the confusing parts. Some people think that you have to go to the other side. You actually have to bring the wiffle balls to your side. So it's basically the first team to 7 wins, and it's really cool and fun to watch, especially when the matches get tied 6-6 and they're fighting over that last wiffle ball. It's pretty fun. So if you have any other questions, you can leave them down in the comments section. But let me go ahead and show you how this looks with my real class. So there you have it, the Hungry Hippo Bot competition. I just named it that because it looks like that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to grab as many wiffle balls and bring them back to their side. If you got another idea for the name of this competition, by all means, let me know. But we kind of like the Hungry Hippo Bot competition, so I think it'll stick. Hopefully you guys like this competition. Give it a shot in your class. Tell me how it goes. But it's really fun. I mean, you might think, well, gee, Mr. Is this strictly just for fun? But there is definitely some strategy to it. There's definitely some design issues going on with it. So the students are thinking about strategy. How do I build my robot to get as many as I can? Some of them do include the medium motor. So it's not just all fun and games. There is some definite thinking, problem solving going on, and you'll see that as your students would progress through this competition. Usually we might make it a competition where, your team gets so many points. You guys can score this how you want, make it a tournament. I'll leave it up to you guys. Okay, I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. I'm out.